Guys, here is Kerala style proper authentic dish. Hey guys, this is your Chetan and welcome back to the new vlog. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I have dropped down to Singsandra, Hosur Road. So exact location is Skoodle Road. So if you need more exact location, then I'll be mentioning the link in the description. So the place where I have dropped down is Fusion Bukhara. So this restaurant is a brand new restaurant. So I really don't know much about it. So let's go inside and check out what is so special of this Fusion Bukhara. So here is Mr. Sunil. He is the owner of Fusion Bukhara. So this is there from how long, sir?
Past 1 month.
Okay.
The idea behind Fusion Bukhara, the word derived from the Mughal kitchen.
Okay.
So recently I have gone through Hyderabad and I have stayed in ITC. I saw a restaurant.
Okay.
The name is Bukhara.
Okay.
Bukhara Pavilion. So from there I got an idea to put the name Bukhara. All the dishes are very signatory and it have its unique taste and texture.
Okay. So what is special in this Fusion Bukhara restaurant?
Fusion Bukhara, we concentrate mainly on authentic tandoori, Indian food and coastal food.
Okay. Guys, it's almost like 2 o'clock. I'm just waiting for my food. So some is getting prepared. Some, as you people have already seen in cinematic shots, has already got prepared. So let me have it. So here is Punjabi tandoori chicken. So this is the most selling dish in this restaurant, I heard. And let me try this out. They have used tandoori masala and they have used Kashmiri chili powder and bit of curd for marination process, and they have left this Punjabi tandoori chicken for a quite long period of time for marination. Taste wise, amazing. They have put a cut on this chicken, you can just see. That's because the masala has to be entered inside the chicken for that reason, and masala has entered in the chicken really very well. Slightly ghee taste is there. That's because that slightly they have put ghee on this. When they put for tandoor, they haven't used oil, and chicken is really very soft. That's because that they have used curd for marination. Slightly that burnt flavor is there, so that's giving an amazing taste. After a long time I'm trying Punjabi tandoori chicken. So taste wise, amazing. Yes, it's really very juicy. If I'm just pressing this, just look at this. The ghee as well as the left out oil in this meat is coming out. It is a bit spicy, but taste wise amazing. And even slightly tanginess is also there. That's because of curd again. But this actually goes good with chicken biryani or some kushka, and even as starter also. I've got some veg jalfrezi, so I can see some beans, I can see some carrots also, and slightly they have put cream also on top. The curry is really very thick, and I have got some 3 types of breads also. So one is normal butter naan, so let me go for this one. I can see some cauliflower also in this, so let me take a big bite. The vegetables has been cooked out well, and there is lot of beans in this curry. This is slightly tasting like a paneer butter masala, but they haven't used paneer in this, and they have put a thick cream, so curry has become very thick. Butter naan, it's really very soft because it's hot, so it is soft. Let me take a piece of cauliflower try this out. We can even call this as veg curry because almost all the vegetables are mixed in this curry. Each and every bite, at least like 2 to 3 different types of vegetables I'm getting in a bite. Guys, here I have got 2 different types of tikka. One is Haryali tikka and one more is Malai tikka. Malai chicken tikka. Okay. First, let me try this Haryali tikka. It's really very hot. Pudina taste is quite dominating in this, and that burnt coal flavor is also there. This has got marinated well in this pudina. It's completely boneless chicken. Taste wise, amazing guys. The chicken is really very soft, and slightly they have put corn flour in this for outside layer. This is not so spicy. It's medium spicy. Next comes with Malai chicken tikka. Of course, Malai means you people might be knowing. On top they have sprinkled chaat masala. Let me taste it out. It's very creamy. It's very soft. The chaat masala taste is quite dominating in this. Softness of the chicken is in next level guys. And they have left this Malai chicken for a quite long period of time. This both Haryali tikka and this Malai tikka, even kids can have, even it's boneless also. They will definitely enjoy this. Guys, here is Kerala style proper authentic dish, Meen Polichadu, and even we can call it as fish polichadu. They will wrap the fish in banana leaf. Just look at this. It is so good. The oil has been left. Let me open this. Inside I can see some gravy and a fish piece also. It's smelling exactly like a pickle. I want to taste this out. It's really very hot. Oh, they have fried the fish and then they have put in this gravy and then they have wrapped this banana leaf. It's really very hot guys. I can see some sesame seeds, garlic, curry leaves, as well as finely chopped onions, as well as chili also. They have used sear fish in this. It's really very soft, and the texture of the sear fish is in next level, and the masala texture is also quite thick. It has entered completely inside the fish. Just look at the meat. The whiteness has turned into red one because of that masala. The slight crispy taste and the masala whatever they have put and wrapped inside this banana leaf, that taste, it's giving a entire different taste. Slightly spiciness is there. That's because of finely chopped chilies. Having a sear fish is next level. In fact, let it be in any way of cooking, because sear fish won't be having so much of bones, but this fish is really fresh as well as very tasty. And this masala though, it has got completely sticked on the top. Hope you people can see this roasted black color on the meat. That's because they have done first tawa fry, then they have put inside this masala, and then they have wrapped this banana leaf. After wrapping, again they do this tawa fry. Generally in Kerala they use curry mean for this wrap stuff, but here they have used sear fish. Here comes up with chicken biryani. On top something yellow color is there. I think this is egg. Yes, this is egg, and they'll give papad for chicken biryani guys. 2 papads and raita. Raita means normal curd. On top of curd they'll put this red masala and green masala. Guys, I was literally very confused at how this white egg will become yellow. Then later I got to know that they have used turmeric while boiling this egg. Guys, they have used Jirge Sambar rice for biryani. Let me taste this out. Pepper taste is quite dominating in this biryani. And just look at this. I can see some cashews also in the biryani. They have fried the cashews and they have put in the biryani. They have used ghee also. Ghee taste is there. They told that papad is a very good combination for our biryani. So let us try it. The chicken has cooked well. I've got one big leg piece. Let me eat this chicken and a piece of papad and try this out. Pepper taste is quite dominating, as I told you, and even fennel seeds also. Taste wise amazing, and they have used finely chopped onions also in this biryani. Slightly sweetness is there in the biryani. Somewhat very different taste. I can't say this is Malabar style biryani also, as well as our Nati style also. Anyhow guys, let me finish this food and get back to you. Guys, finally I finished my food. Food was really great, especially when it comes to fish. It was amazing. Whatever they served me, almost the things were fresh, I can say, and even hot. And there is one important point which I need to mention for you people. If you people are dropping down here and if you people are ordering for some food, and if the bill is about 250, you're gonna be getting 10% off discount on bill. And they do even take caterings for birthday parties and small functions also. You can place order in Swiggy as well as Zomato, as well as they do have their own application that I'll be mentioning in the description part. So if you people are calling them and placing an order up to 5 to 6 kilometers, they are gonna be giving free delivery. Anyhow guys, I'll be mentioning the price as well as location in the description part. If you people like this vlog, please do like, share and comment. If you people are still not following me on Insta, do follow. Catch you up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.